Nandito na tayo, Dex. Are you ready?
So I get this one.
Okay. Haba ng pila.
Officially 9 years old.
So, 9 ka na ngayon, hindi ka
Yeah, I want to go on debate castle.
8. Okay, fine. Okay, so ang haba ng pila. Naman ang pila namin, no? Ayan, pa doon pa kami. Tapos ang haba ng pila. Here, tingnan mo.
I still have chocolate from
Kasama natin sino ngayon?
I still
Ate!
I still have chocolate from last year. Yeah.
It's not
It's in
good.
my closet.
Oh, don't eat that one na. Hindi na yan maganda. So, ayan, ang daming activity dito. Sa loob. Nandito pa kami sa lansangan. Ang cute ng bata. Yeah. Gusto mo manalo dito? Ayan, oh.
Yeah.
Lexi, lagay mo nga yan.
I'm gonna run a bike.
Yeah.
I need a bigger bike.
Ayan, ang daming tao. Ang daming tao. Did you get your bag? Okay. Put it there. So, ito yung mga kulay ng mga bags nila. Yeah. So, let's go na.
Road's so hot.
Yeah. So, grabe. Lumusong kami sa snow. Buti lang nakasapatos kami ng maayos. Yeah, okay. So, what time ka? So, ganito yung time nila. What time? Oh, Dexila, 12:45 ka pa. 5 minutes lang naman. Okay. You want to go to the bouncy castle? Ask mo. Dexa?
It's a challenge for me.
Yeah, dito ka. Okay? So, where do you want to go first? So, ito yung... Oh, ginan nyo. Grabe. Sa snow, magpulot yung mga bata. Hindi, cleaner siguro naman nila yun, yung place na yun. Pero ang daming tao. So, ayun, nag-snowman sila dito.
Ready?
Ah. Oh, careful. Ayan. Laro na sila ng mga snow. Kasi ang kapal naman ng snow. Grabe. Careful. Oh, so dito pala. May konti pang snow din. Hindi lang nila kinayod lahat.
As we can, so we can have as much fun as we can. Just a reminder that we'll be dropping our first eggs at 12 for the 0 to 2s. Parents, you can make your way onto the field.
Yeah. Let's go to Bunny first.
0 to 2, you can get on the field with them.
Yeah. 1 hour. Oh, eto may ganito. Child time.
20 minutes, we're going to start.
Okay. Let's go to Bunny. I saw Bunny here. I saw Bunny. Dexila, I saw Bunny.
I know.
Okay, let's go there. Okay, it's your turn. Okay, ready? Ready? Smile. Ang daming tao. Grabe, oh. Talon. Tatlo sila. Nagagawa, oh. Wow! That's flower.
Zero to two. It's time to grab your kid and get into the staging area. We ask that usually one parent per child would be great, just so that we don't have too much.
Mga nanay na. Dexila, their mom. Pick it. Wow, Dexa, you have your free popcorn? Ooh, free popcorn and water. Oh, painom-inom pa. Hala.
Cheers ka kay mami.
Ayun din, oh. Ate!
Hey guys! Cheers!
Si ate din.
Cheers!
Cheers!
It's your mom. So we're going to be over at the child find. So if you've lost your child, Leanne is going to be over there right now. After navy is orange.
Excited na si Dexa. Dexa, you're excited? Dexa, si Mama! Ayaw niya nang lumingon. Excited na. Okay, takbo ka ha.
Are we ready now? Oh, is Purple ready? No, wait, no, hold on, Purple. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. Okay, count down with me. 3, 2, 1, go!
Kitang-kita si Dexa kasi naka-orange eh. Asan na siya? Hindi na makita ng camera. Asan? Ang bilis. Oh, where's she? I know. Oh. Ayun na. I know, nawala niya yung iba kasi kapag ano, wala na. It's okay, come on, Dexa! We're here! Hi! It's okay na yan!
All right, everyone, I think you're just going in circles because I think you got them all.
That's a lot!
noise for
Wow! Woo!
Great job, Navy. Cleaned it up so good like a plate with vegetables. All right.
Oh, wow! Wow! What did you request, Dexa? A cap? Okay. Oh, that's a cute cap. 2, 1. So, ayan, tapos na kami. Ang dami pang tao. Grabe, dinumog. Yan. Maganda din ang panahon ngayon. That's inside. Come on.
See the inside.
Okay, come here then. Come here. Come here. Here lang tayo para tingnan mo kung how they do it.
No, like they're gonna show us the inside.
Oh, they show you inside the truck. Okay then. Ah, bangalan ng pila. Yan si Daddy pa, oh. Gusto ni Dexa daw tumingin dito sa loob.
Have questions?
Have any questions?
No questions? No questions for us? No? Yep, try and reach for that, man.
We're good.
Okay. You can get your little access pass here.
Oh my.
There you go.
Oh, look inside. Get one. I think they can give that one. Oh, ang dami palang ano. Oh.
Yeah, that's where the driver's on that side, the captain's on the other side there.
Oh.
You guys want to tour the truck? This is the
Okay.
front, on that side, this is the exit. You want to come down?
Okay. Yeah, you can grab some. Okay.
There you go.
Can we grab this?
Yes, yes, it's all yours.
Thank you. Calgary Fire Department. So, sikat tong ano na to. Seniors na to dito sa Beddington. Ito yung store nila. Oh, we can eat. O mag-pray kayo.
Pray mo na. Nana, ikaw mag-pray.
I'll pray na.
Oh my God.
Ano, Dexa? Ano? Ano? So ba naman yan? Eto, it's so good din.
So good.
Kalimutan nyo ang pangalan nyo? It's so good.
Sarap yan sa wings.
Oh, yeah, I know.
So good. At the back.
Oh, nag-apply pa sila ng lipstick. Dalawang girlash. Kanino na ka nagmana, Dexa? Oh, grabe sila. Ano naman ang tatak ng inyong lip gloss, guys?
Laneige.
Ha?
Laneige, and I'm pretty sure I was using Summer Fridays. No, Road. The Road.
O magkano yan? Hindi kayo magbabaon ng isang linggo, ha? Kasi ang mahal-mahal ng mga lipstick nyo.
It is.
Diyos ko po. Yan ang gastos ng dalawa.
Oh, no. You know, mine is a combo. I use 3 sheets for this.
Oh.
One, this